So let's go. In front of a stage curtain, we hear the narrator.
How Pinocchio allows himself to be swindled
by
the cat.
If you don't mind.
If you don't mind, yes.
Now, Shannon and Neil, you say, "Good morning, Pino-kun."
Good
morning, Pino.
Good morning, Pino-san.
Good morning, Pino-san.
Can you come a bit closer, Keiko? Oh, yeah, there we go.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Hi. Hello. Yeah. How do you know my name?
I know your father.
Now, Yuki, can you do Geppetto?
Geppetto. Geppetto.
Geppetto. Geppetto only sneezes.
Only sneezes. Where did you see him?
At his workshop.
Action.
What was he doing?
I like the look of the money you've got there.
What are you going to do with that money? Spend it?
I'll buy Papa coat. タイを買うぜ.
Do you want to exchange your 5 gold coins?
For 1,000 Bitcoins.
Wow! どうやって?
My name's Tom. I'm a performer and puppeteer from Manchester.
Tom, could you be the bird, whatever the
Yes.
voice of the bird is?
Don't believe the cat.
Oh. Yeah, that's great, isn't it? It looks quite evil.
Blackbirds should not interrupt cats. Come with me.
I can't.
If you bury 5 gold coins in the field, then you will get...
More and more and more.
Sandra,
I don't like tobacco.
let's see. Can you be the bee? And Corinne, can you also be the bee? So you're going to sort of take it in turns or speak together. It's like 2 voices.
Never trust people who promise to make you rich in an afternoon.
They are either mad or they are cheating.
I want to go. 行きたい.
It's very
I want to go. 行き
It's
たい.
very
I
dark.
want to go.
The path is very dangerous.
Shut up.
Boys who want to follow their whims sooner or later regret it.
Good night.
Good night.
The same old story.
May heaven protect you from moonshine and murderers.
How lovely. なんて素敵なんだろう。プレゼントをあげる。
I couldn't possibly accept.
I'm coming with you.
My advice would be take the money to your papa.
It was getting dark. The darkness was so dark.
Oh, Pinocchio, you lost your way.
Aye, Pino, what are you doing here? I can make your dreams come true.
Action.
Well, he won't be cold anymore. I'm rich. もう大丈夫。寒くない。
But that's great. We've got a nice recording there. Let's just end with the last words of the narrator on the last page, page 8.
I need my jacket. So this is how we wrap up a good story and how
We also say good night. Good night.
we say good night. Good night.
I'm not. What was that about? Follow me. In the trees.